In the quiet village of Oerelft, history traces back to an inexplicable phenomenon, the mysterious bonfire that consumed everything in its path. On a seemingly ordinary night in 1742, villagers reported an ominous glow illuminating the sky, followed by an intense, unnatural heat that brought dread to their hearts. What sparked the flames? Was it a natural disaster, or perhaps an unexplainable supernatural event? Eyewitness accounts describe strange figures seen dancing around the fire, fueling speculation that this was no mere accident. Today, the village stands abandoned, its secrets unraveling like smoke in the wind. What really happened that night? Were they sacrifices to unknown forces, or perhaps a warning for future generations? The answers lie hidden among the ashes, waiting to be uncovered.